How you guys doing? How's everybody doing? Like, what are you doing today? What is that thing that you plan to do today that you're still on your phone? That you're still pressing? Till when will you stop pressing? Eh? Till when? Get up now. Don't scroll. Don't you dare try to scroll. Now go and do that thing. Achieve something in a day. Make sure you achieve one thing in a day. In fact, this economy, I'm talking about Nigerians now. This country now does not even warrant you sleeping, lying down on your bed and doing nothing, because we that we are working sef, we get the money, but the way the money is going, my dear, what is going on? Like, what is happening? I'm speaking English now. What is happening in this country? What is going on? Am I the only one in Nigeria? Why are things so expensive? Like, I'm talking about materials now. Maybe you make clothes for 10K before. Now you'll be talking about maybe 25K. Hey, even to charge customer self is now something that you're afraid of. Abi? Because you are charging customer, maybe customer used to charge 10,000 naira before, now comes and now tells her the same style I sold for you 10,000 is now 20,000. Who will pay that kind of money? Like, from when to when? Just December year to February year. I thought things have started decreasing. At least it should be stuck, even if it doesn't decrease, Abi. It should be stuck at the price. Why is it increasing? Oh, Biko. This is the more reason we need a side hustle, like what I'm doing now. You can start creating content. This is not a time to be saying, I'm shy. Oh, hey, I don't want my life outside. I don't want to show my body. I don't want anybody to see my face. I just love my comfort zone. See, if you are looking for the person that loves their comfort zone, this is the number one guru. Like, if you want me to stay in a room for 3 5 months, just give me everything I want in that room. I will stay there. I'm not this person that goes out. I even hate going out. Like, if I want to go out, I start procrastinating. Oh, should I go? Should I not? Should I? But what I'm trying to say is, start something aside from that one thing that you're doing. Except if you have multiple incomes, oh. But if you don't have multiple incomes, you are doing only one thing, my friend. Hey, stand up, start doing side hustle, start putting your camera in front of you, talking, giving the little advice that you can give. Tutorial, you want to sew clothes, how to sew this thing, how to cook this one. You are the best cooking person in the whole world, my dear. Put it on camera. Hmm? And start doing tutorials on those things. See, there are tutorials that you can do self. You don't need to talk. Maybe you cannot talk. Just be showing them the picture of the this thing. Maybe you cannot speak English very well, all those things. You don't want to see it in your video. It is hindering you from starting a YouTube channel or from starting a channel in general. Just be showing them this. No need for you to talk. People that are going to follow you are going to follow you, and you are going to get monetized. And see all these ones that we are doing now. Aside also, make am no easy, my sisters and my brothers, especially if you're in this Nigeria, you understand that once things goes up in this Nigeria, to come down, I don't understand though. I don't know. Even if they've reduced prices of things, people will refuse to reduce price. We human beings, we people, we Nigerians will refuse to reduce price. It is well, oh, no wahala. All of us are looking for ways to survive now. So a lot of people have lost human feelings. No more human feeling, just because we want to make this money. Let us come back. Let us remember that after making all this money, sef, so what happens next? Do we always remember that? Do we even think about that? Like, after making money, I want to make, because if you make 10 naira, you won't be satisfied. You want to make 15. From 15, you go to 20. 20, you go to 30. You shall be going higher, higher, higher. Once you now make all the money, you now make 50 billion, you make zillion, just like my children say. You make all zillions. So what now happens? You start get bored. Oh, what do I want to do next? Oh, I need to explore more. Oh, it may even lead to depression sef, because you would have enjoyed everything. You still be looking for, what do I want to enjoy more? You know, I know some people will be saying, let me even enjoy it first. Enjoy it now. But that does not mean you now lose your feelings, your human feeling, because you want to make money. Money, money, money. See, my dear, take it easy, calm down. Those people that are saying how to make money, they are looking for ways to make money. Everybody is looking for ways make this money. Just take it easy when you are making it, when you are looking for ways. Take it easy. Always remember that this life, this life, this our life, is only one life that we have. Once it has cut like this, bim, that's the end. So find time to rest. Take it easy. Calm down. Sleep to your art content, especially if you are a YouTuber. You understand what I'm trying to say. Like being a YouTuber is exhausting. Calm down, take your time, sleep welly welly, sleep take a lot of rest. Do whatever you want to do on your YouTube channel. Don't let it be on your head 24/7 that hey, without this YouTube channel. In fact, I'm talking to myself right now. I am actually talking to myself, and I'm talking to YouTubers like me out there that are going through this experience too. Find time, rest, people. I'm going to the market now, and I'll be doing a live video. Hopefully, I'll be doing a live video. So if you are watching my video anytime right now, you can go and check my live videos. So where I'll be showing you my journey to Iko Idumota. In case you want to go there or you have had experience, you have heard about it and you have not been there before, you're watching it live today on my channel. I am a stay-at-home mom. My husband will not allow me to work. My husband will not. He wants me to stay with the kids. It's fine now, no wahala. You can stay with your kids, yes. But at the same time, this thing you can do it in your house. What I'm doing now, see me, oh. And here I dey just dey talk to you guys, even if I have somewhere to go right now. But I'm trying to like just quickly make this video. No makeup, no anything. I don't need to apply that to make this video to pass the information that I want to pass. You understand? So you can do anything. I'm sure you must have something that you're passionate about apart from you taking care of your kids. Even people use their lifestyles now. They put it on camera. Maybe you are a private person. Most people are private. They don't want to show their family or anything. They don't want to involve them in their videos. It is fine. Talk. Start talking. Hey, this is what I go. This is that. This is my how my day went, or this is the best movie I watched. Who love this kind of movies? You can even start by talking about movies. Maybe you are the movie guru. You have watched all the Korean movies on the internet. You have watched all the Netflix. You can start by talking there and you see people that are going to engage with you. Yes, it is as simple as that. People may not watch at first, don't get discouraged. Yes. So now internet is now blowing. People are taking advantage of social media. My dear, don't sleep on it. Grab your copy now and thank me later. So guys, I think that's all. I need to start going because I'm running late right now. So whatever thing you want to do, stop procrastinating. Please don't do that. Oh, my phone is blurry. Oh, I need the ring light. I need a setup. I need this. I need that. If you have the money, go and get it. Stop procrastinating. Look for one day. Go and buy it and start doing it. If you don't have the money, do with whatever you have. Look for a pile of book or pile of clothes or something. Put your phone in front of you and be doing your thing. People are going to watch. See, I'm not going to tell you that people are going to watch at first. It is going to suck. Trust me when I tell you that the first, second, third, fifth, your 11th, 13th video is going to suck. But trust me when I tell you that once it starts picking, you have the zeal to be doing more because that is what helps we YouTubers. Once we see that people are watching, we have this zeal, this passion to continue to create more. Okay, so I just wanted to be sure that my mic is on because this thing can be disappointing. So just try as much as possible to create content that you love, what you love. At the same time, let it resonate with what people would actually want to watch. So that's just it, guys. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now.